Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy granny stitch cardigan sweater. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. You can use any size yarn and any size hook to work this sweater. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain that is as long as you would like your vest to be from the front hem over your shoulder down to the bottom hem. So work a foundation chain that you would like. When your foundation chain is the correct length, double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Those skip chains will be the equivalent of 1 double crochet. So make 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. And that will form a 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. So you have a 3 double crochet cluster and a 3 double crochet cluster separated by chain 3 and 3 stitches skipped. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 stitches, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Okay, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, chain 3, 3 double crochet, skip 3, chain 3. You do that all the way across the row. I'm only working a small section because the sweater is already finished, so I'm just working a short section, but it's actually working this way. Okay, you're going to work all the way across the row. Now I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will count as a double crochet and a chain 3. Turn the work. Make 3 double crochet in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet in that chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3. So in every chain 3 space, make 3 double crochet, then chain 3 and skip the double crochets of the previous row. Work 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space and work that way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 3, you're going to make a double crochet in that last stitch. For the next row, chain 3 and turn. That will count as the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in this chain 3 space. 1 and 2. and that will be the equivalent of the first 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, go to the next chain 3 space, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And you'll continue repeating these 2 rows, the first row beginning with a chain 5, the second row beginning with a chain 3, until the 2 rectangles for the front and back measure 1/4 your chest size. After your side seams have been joined, you're going to work the cuffs on the ends of the sleeves, up the bottom band, and up all around for the front. And all of these sections are going to be worked exactly the same way. So when you're working across the bottom of the sleeve or the bottom of the sweater, you're going to attach your yarn and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in the next stitch. And now you're going to skip the next stitch. In this case, it's a double crochet, so it's easy. So I'm going to skip this stitch, and I'm going to make a double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch, and that's this one here. So skip, work into this next stitch, and into the next. And you're going to repeat that across the row. So skip the next stitch, double crochet, and a double crochet. So double crochet and double crochet. Skip, double crochet, and double crochet. And you'll do that all the way across the row. So when you're working in the round, you would slip stitch to join in the very first stitch. If you're working on the bottom band, well, you're just going to chain and turn. So then you chain, so you chain 3 and you'll turn, and you're going to make a front post double crochet in the next stitch and a back post double crochet in the next, and a front and a back, a front and a back. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. And so you're just going to repeat this row over and over, working a front post in the front post of the previous row and a back post in the back post of the previous row. And you'll do that for as many rows as you like for your cuff, for your bottom band, and for the front band all the way around. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this granny stitch cardigan sweater in any size. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.